Please do not load and shoot.
Your gun to avoid causing panic. Oh, hold here. I want to pick up one. Guys, never mind. This is so heavy.
It's probably like a real hunting gun.
Let go. Yeah, okay, let's not.
Yeah, no,
Let's
it's
not touch these. But anyway, they got guns. We are not. That's very skew. Even me not caring about angles, that was way too skew. Why don't you just take it to the back camera? These are these gun cases or guitar cases? Probably guitar. Isn't it a bit narrow for a guitar?
It's probably gun cases.
There's so much
Oh, my eyes are hurting now.
Wax, kids. You want a wax?
No?
No. Spread your arm out.
Jack! Jack! I don't know what color this is, like a darkish type of purple. Just a long. Anyway, we are trying to get into makeup. So difficult. Oh my god, check. Like I get distracted so bad. This is like probably a real Chinese.
Yes, it is. It is. It's I've seen like when I look.
It smells nice.
When I look for people who use kojic acid, that is the exact brand.
That's crazy. You gonna buy?
Yeah, Friday.
Let me take over. Transition.
Yeah, I'm getting this. Or I think this. What is this?
You must get this.
You should get it.
No. What must I do with this?
I got it for you.
I'm getting this.
You should get that as well.
Oh yeah?
We must get our makeup.
Let's go. Moving forward, we're doing the tour, bro. Let's go. Oh, nice. They got face masks.
Literally all is face
This is good.
Why don't we come?
Oh, look. Highly ironic.
I would take this because it smells like ice cream.
How do you know it smells like ice cream?
Oh, here's the wax warmer for waxing. The wax palettes are like there at the back. You want a wax? Like a nail lamp? And things for pedicures and manicures.
Because it's white. I have some.
We get a nail set. Wow. How much? $340.
I like how you guys are like, oh, actually, we should take Nazi to get her nails done professionally.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think this is just so that they don't get off. But this is cute. Where did you get this?
There.
Oh, we're gonna have to buy a nail clipper.
Yes. Yes.
Guys, I used to love these things. Like I had an obsession with them whenever I saw them at people's. Can you move? Whenever I saw them at people's houses, I used to love them. Mommy, can I just... Wow. Feel.
Dang, it's heavy.
Did you just take it out here?
Nazli.
Guys, clock that like she's low-key taller than me, and I am at least 11 years older than her. I am 11, not at least. I'm actually 11 years older than her. We are not gonna let you come to the store. But look at them. Show mommy the.
And then yours.
She likes these weird things.
And this.
No, actually, just do like a cinematic. Do a
What is the how is that cinematic? Oh,
Yeah, don't put it on your hair.
Yeah, I know.
But yeah, that's how you keep it. Nazli was like, I don't know how to open this fan. She was opening it the wrong way and she was holding it the wrong way. Where did you get it?
I'll just lay it now.
Okay, what do you guys have to show?
back.
Tato!
this,
Oh, Loki, we need that.
like.
Ravi, this is more rare than this one. Eh?
Yeah.
So the kids are buying wrong one. That thing. You're supposed to buy this one. They bought this one. Because I was noticing, hey, this looks maroon.
What is this one? What is this? Wait, what is this? Massage scratch.
Back
What is this?
and back scratching. So that.
Ah, I thought it was that thing for your face. You know,
I think that's a roller.
that thing that I'm talking about, not this.
Yeah.
Oh, here's the back scratcher.
Ah.
Oh, guys, move. I see a cat thing. Guys, come look. Cat shampoo.
Catch it. Oh, cool.
Imagine me biting it in the bed.
Do not. Do not.
It's so
No.
But
It's rubber, it's fine.
she doesn't like the way it looks, whether it's fake or not. Oh my gosh, squishy ice cubes. They're not even squishy. I thought it was a squishy.
Hey, help me. I'm broke. Look, yeah.
It literally is broke. Kun. We are in the pet toy aisle.
Why did you come through here? There are other aisles that we skip there at the back. Because of you.
Yeah, you were just walking to this thing.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Attack Rami, please.
Look at all the things you skipped. Because of you. Why don't you start at the back and see what they have to do?
Interesting.
Actually, this. It's fine then.
Things for pictures, mirrors. We don't
Where?
need-
No, man, Ravi.
New pose.
Oh my
New
goodness.
pose.
AI.
Yeah. So,
Nonsense.
mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all?
Me. Let's go. The three of us should get bikes, guys, and then go on bike rides together. Like, you can come over and then we ride. That would be so fun.
Ravi, you were the one who broke my wheel.
Why are you lying?
You sat in the wheel and
Why are you lying?
broke apart.
She's
How
lying.
could you rub?
Why did you just ask, please?
This is baloney.
She asked if this was bologna. Yeah.
It looks like what this thing, yeah. That's
Sealant, guys. Sealant. Are you hungry?
no.
Wow. Yeah.
Dear customers, please refrain from sitting on the furniture. Okay.
I don't wanna have to pay for that.
If it breaks, then you pay. Why do you sink? I said. That's all the way sinking down.
Please don't sit on the furniture. She goes and sinks into that chair. Please. Somebody explain it to me.
3,000?
Okay, but like for this size, that's not bad.
Yes.
This is very big. We are trying to explore as many of the aisles as we can, but like the store is huge. This is such a cool bag.
Bro.
Oh my gosh.
And it's you. We need it.
Yeah. We need this
It's a garlic
and
press.
this. Don't know what this is, but and that. Waffle maker so we can make waffles for Nazli. These are so cute, Lee.
They are.
These are so performative. So needed. Okay, but now what's that for?
Yeah, what is it for?
It's when you put like food and stuff on it.
Who's gonna do that?
I don't know.
Fake China. Cute. This is not even fake China. China doesn't look like that.
Yeah. Japan.
No way.
In Japan.
For the coffee.
Like for making chai.
Yeah.
Chai
Tea. Meant tea. But you know that Arabic coffee, man, where they have the thing and then it goes, shh, and then they put it in the sand and then it goes. Or it's like for a one-man soup.
Oh look,
I'm not a fan of
these are
cups.
cute. These are cute.
Not yet. Not yet. But
A
you will
wok.
reach that stage one day.
A walk. Mommy wanted this. A walk.
I'm not.
Oh look at the pans, Lee.
That's cute.
Yes, I actually want.
Are these non-stick? I hope they're non-stick. A shovel.
No, you're not.
Guys, I've been really into shovels like since. I'm sorry. Do you have a problem?
Can you read it? Yeah, she said yeah. Rabia.
Guys, we have to end the video now. The phone's battery is on 3%. So we'll be back with hopefully a part 2 soon to just end this video. Next time you see us, we'll probably be wearing different clothes.
She's so childish.
Say bye.
Bye. That's so
What's that?
That's